Pterodactyl here. And has this ever happened to you? Where your gas tank nipple snaps off and you're thinking, how am I going to fix that, Taryl? Is there a way to fix it? Do you have some kind of magic putty or glue? Well, there is a way to fix it. And there's a way to fix it inexpensively without having to buy a new tank. You can get this rubber bushing that they use on a lot of generators and lawn tractor gas tanks. And then they make 3 different fittings you can put in there. They got a 90-degree shutoff fitting, a straight fitting with a hose barb on it, and a 90 fitting with a hose barb on it. So I got here a plastic tank that came out of a vintage wheel horse. Now the guy wants to use the same tank over. So you get a drill bit or a step bit. This is a step bit. And I marked it because we want to open it to 9/16 is what you do. So I went up to that mark so I didn't go any deeper. Get rid of all the chips. Take the bushing, put it in the hole. Spray a little lubricant on whatever fitting you choose to put in there. Voila! Gas tank's fixed. Now there's your dinner. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All.